Good morning, welcome to Chicmas day 8. I just finished cleaning the room, wanted to fix the bed a bit. Always feel better when the room is put together, especially when you work from home. Fixing the bed is probably one of the most important things, well, at least for me. If I see that it's still, you know, not made, it just makes you want to lay down in it again. But if it's made already, then it's kind of like you want to, you know, get your day started. This morning we took Darren to the airport. He's gonna be in Vegas he's in Vegas right now. He'll be there for the next week visiting his girlfriend Julia. So we were up pretty early this morning, and then when we got home, I was only gonna go to sleep for another hour, and then I woke up and it's, what time was it? I think it was like 10 o'clock. So we have a lot to do today. We have some errands to run, but we need to get all of the administrative things all taken care of before we head out for the day. You know what time it is? It's time for us to have some tea together. Pour our hot water. Today was really super chill. I was just at home. We were gonna run some errands. We unfortunately didn't end up leaving. Kind of wish that I ran those errands today because tomorrow it's supposed to rain. Hold on, I think the camera's crooked. And if you live in California, you know that when it rains, everybody just kind of forgets how to drive. When I'm driving, I get very scared when it rains. Before we open some PR packages, we need to open the 24 Reasons to Smile T2 Advent Calendar, day number 8. Right here. I like how they mix it up, meaning that it's not in order, so you kind of have to look for it. Oh. Okay, take a look at it. Life is like a cup of tea. It's all about how you make it. Loosely flavored black tea. And today we have French Earl Grey. Yay! This one smells good. I'm a fan of Earl Grey tea. And I'm telling you, I was so behind with emails, and I was able to pretty much catch up. I still have a little bit more to do, maybe before I go to sleep. Let's see, let's pour a little bit more hot water. Earl Grey gets a French twist, which is oh so fruity, a medium-bodied black tea base with pretty petals and notes of fruit that play with classic bergamot in an inspiring, bold, and refined infusion. And it says to steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, we have those petals, so let's see. Now let's open the XO Marshmallow Advent Calendar, day number 8. Right up here, today's hint. One of our very first flavors. So I'm thinking that this is gonna be strawberry. It is a little bit on the pinkish side. Raspberry. These are so fluffy. I'm locking it in. It's raspberry. Raspberry! Yay! We got that. What is that? 3 out of 8 so far. While the tea is steeping, let's go ahead and open some PR packages. Now this first one, unfortunately, I already did open. Like, I opened it, and then I realized, you know what? I wanted to unbox it with you for one of the Chicmas vlogs. So the first one is from Pop Beauty, Lit AF Essence. They gave 2 of them, so I'm definitely going to be giving one of these away in a giveaway. I really do like their new packaging because they made it colorful. Good vibes, yuzu extract, niacinamide, ginseng, vegan, squalene, and green tea. It says it's energizing, hydrating, and rejuvenating. My skin right now definitely needs all the hydration it can get. Normally, I'm very oily, like an oily T-zone, but my skin has just been like, A couple weeks ago when I saw Abby, I asked her, oh, does my face look dry? And she said, yes, it looks really dry. And thank you so much to Pop Beauty for sending these over. I'm so grateful whenever brands send over PR packages. Like when I see it, I'm just like, oh my gosh, that is so sweet of them to like think of me and to keep me on their PR list. So I'm always very thankful. It's from a brand called Replenix, and I absolutely love this brand. They're affordable. They have really good skincare products. If you can hear something in the background, that's Jonathan. He's watching YouTube videos, but I can hear his phone. You know what? Before we open this, let's try French Earl Grey. Smells good. This one's a winner. The Earl Grey is delicious. I'm glad that we don't really taste any of the, what was it? How did they say it? The pretty petals. Finish the rest of the raspberry flavored marshmallow. I want a little bit more. That's how you know if I really like it, if I add a little bit more hot water. Keep your skin moisturized this winter. Oh, they were just reading my mind. Let's open it together. Replenix always has such pretty packaging too. Oh, wow. Okay, so they sent, this is a Replenix Hyaluronic Acid Hydration Serum. Then this one, I believe, is an eye mask, which I have opened. I have one of these already, so I don't want to open it. And they also sent over a cosmetic bag as well. That's really cool. They're always so thoughtful. Replenix Anti-Aging Age Restore Brightening Moisturizer. I believe I have this one, but I haven't used it yet. I'm not really too sure. Because my skin has just been going crazy the past couple of weeks, I had to kind of switch up my moisturizers and serums and all that. I even stopped using vitamin C to brighten my skin. And when I stopped using that, immediately, like, I noticed that a lot of these dark spots, like I have a blemish scar right here, it just will not disappear. So I had to start incorporating it back into my skincare. All these anti-aging, brightening skincare are so important. The next one we have here is from Dermae. Big fan of Dermae products as well. Oh, yes.
Can you go in my room really quick?
Oh, hold on.
Are you doing tea time?
Yeah. Healthy holiday skin. I think this is going to be a gift set. Oh, I don't want to open it though. Look, it's a the Dermae Refine, Brighten, Hydrate, and Go gift set. So they have this, which I believe I already own this one as well. Vitamin C Concentrate Serum, which I do really like. Micro Abrasion Scrub, which I also do own. This is great as well. And then I've never tried this one, but it's the Hydrating Day Cream. But this is a nice gift set. Then they also included a pocket mirror. So thank you so much, Dermae. That's really sweet and thoughtful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Goodie package from Pixi, and this is really heavy. Wow, look at this. What's in here? Oh, something fell. Oh, how sweet. They gave the original Glow Tonic, and it's personalized. Our signature original exfoliating toner is infused with glycolic acid and botanicals that improve texture, hydration, and glow. Formulated for all skin types. Do love their Glow Tonics. I think the one I'm using right now is, I use the Vitamin C tonic, and I also use the Retinol tonic as well. That is so cool. It's personalized. So I think I'm going to try this out tonight, and we'll see how my skin likes this. But thank you so much, Pixi, for this very, very personalized gift. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, chickies, so I'm gonna go ahead and end Chicmas day 8 here. I know it was super chill today. We were just here at home, but tomorrow, waking up bright and early, getting stuff done, running some errands. I hope you guys are enjoying the Chicmas vlogs. Just want to thank you so much for hanging out with me for Chicmas day 8. If you enjoyed hanging out and enjoyed this vlog, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chickie crew. Thank you, chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you tomorrow for Chicmas day 9.